Welcome to assignment 1, which is your initial survey design. In this assignment, it's very important that you identify a clear topic before we gather data for your survey. So as you move through this, you're going to see information on how to do this and what steps to address. The key area to look at is this section right here. Now, there's other important information, but this is the main piece that when I'm scoring sometimes gets missed. You need to describe the topic of your survey. It's very important the topic of your survey is quantitative, so it has to be questions that are related to numbers that you can answer. So a survey topic like the average age of people using Instagram, that's quantitative. A qualitative survey would be something like if people prefer Instagram. That's really hard to assess by asking questions involving numbers, and that's more of a qualitative topic. Then you need to explain why it's important. So there's two parts to this. How is this important in the context of a business or society or community? And then how is this important to you in your personal life? Why are you interested in this? You have to make sure you address both of those. Once you're done, then you want to identify and describe potential variables. Now, variables are going to be part of the questions you ask in your survey. So a variable could be something like age, because if you ask people's ages, then age is a variable. If you ask people their gender, gender is a variable, but that's also a qualitative variable. So you've got to be careful because we're talking about numbers here. So another quantitative could be if you're trying to do a survey on how long people commute, it would be how long do people commute? So make sure that your variable has multiple responses that people could answer in the survey that are, again, number related. Then once you've done that, you need to explain why those variables are relevant to your survey topic. So that's in the rubric. Why are those important? So that's when you're saying describe, you're telling me why they're important. Then you're going to define the population to be studied. That's not your sample, that's the group of people as a whole. So if you're doing a sample on women that go to the gym, your population is women that go to the gym. If you're doing a survey on Instagram and how many ads turn into revenue, then your population is people who use Instagram. And then in the last piece, you're going to explain why this is important in terms of your survey. So if you look at the scoring guide, this is going to take you really clearly through each piece that I'm looking for as I grade. And that is assignment 1.